Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go super fast because this is also a challenge for Tiffany's Crafting Like a Boss McGill's Facebook group, Coffee Cake and Crafting. It's her birthday challenge. Make a box in 10 minutes or less, something like that. So head over to her Facebook group and check out the challenge. There's still a little bit of time left. For this box, you will need a 9" by 6.5" piece of cardstock. We are making a box for this cookie, okay? All right, so scoreboard ready, 9" side as follows. Score 1/2 inch, 3/4, 4 3/4, 5. Turn it. And we're gonna do 1/4 and 5 and 5 1/4. And since that's right there, I'm going to move that over like so. All right, and we are going to cut this so it comes out looking like this. Okay, and so you have your paper cardstock facing you that way. All right, remove that. And we're going to follow this here. This is going to be our glue tab, okay? And we're going to keep this little guy here, miter, miter, and miter. Get rid of those little pieces. And cut straight. That's going to be the bottom of the box. Over here, flip it. All right, and this all goes away to the first score line. See, and this is your glue tab. Miter that. And get rid of that all the way to the second score line, sorry. Okay, and we're gonna cut. Do not cut too much into that, okay? That all goes away because all that's going to be is a flap, okay? So here we are so far, all right? And now come down here, make your other tab. This is the bottom of the box. Get rid of those little pieces. See? First one, second one. All right. Carefully do all of your score lines. Get your wet glue, your dry glue, it really doesn't matter. Okay. All right, and now we're going to start gluing. And there's my glue. And since it's such a narrow box, I went for a larger glue tab. You can do 1/4 of an inch. But I wanted a little bit more stability. And if you have any kind of overlap, you can clean that up. Oh, I'm shaking because I'm so nervous. And don't cut into the other side. Did I? Woo! Thought I did. All right, and now we're gonna glue the bottom. And this is for a cookie, so, you know. And then you can decorate it any way you want to, okay? Come on. And that is pretty much it. You're done. You get to decorate it now. That was it. And that's it. Now you got a little packaging for your cookie. Thank you so much for watching. This is a Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill challenge entry for her Facebook group, and a hashtag 14+ days of Galentine's and or Valentine's 2023. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. And from here, you can take these measurements and get some really good pattern cardstock and make yourself some packaging for this cookie. Okay, guys, thanks so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.